Morning. Hello, this is Gaymeon Gibson and doing a demo of Product List Genie. So after you go to Product List Genie, you first going to connect your store. So after you've logged on, hit Connect Store, and you want to start off by making sure that your Shopify URL is right here before the .myshopify.com. So have it right here, and then just hit Connect Store. So it's connecting to store. Perfect. So you've connected your store. All right, the next thing we're going to do is find a product to push to our store. And one of the criteria of finding a product, you want to see how the trend is for the past year, and you also want to see the margin between what you purchase it for and what the sale price is. So we're going to select this hands-free bungee dog leash. I love animals and dogs. And so first thing we're going to look at is the trends. Over the past year, it's been averaging over 75, so that's good trend. And you want to make sure that you select a product that's been averaging over 50 within the last couple months, and this has been doing quite well. It's been up and down, but overall it's been doing well. And you see the locations where the dog leash is trending the most. All right, great. So it provides you the campaign objective, the ad copy text, the geography, the interests, behaviors, demographics, and so on. All right. So now the first thing also we're going to look at is the vendor link in AliExpress and see how much this product is being sold for. So it's being sold for $11.83, and the recommended price is $29.95. So $29.95 minus $11.83. So $18.12 is your break even. So that's a good number. You want something that's around or close to $20 or more. So this is a good product. So we're going to push this product to your store. So hands-free bungee dog leash. All right, so it's granting your wish. Awesome. So it's been granted. Another key element is to add reviews. Just like how you go to Amazon, you want to make sure that the product has reviews, as all customers, including myself, look at product reviews. So add reviews. I normally select around 50 to more when I'm advertising a product. Insert the product name right here, hands-free bungee dog leash. This product intended for the husband. Insert the name of your store, Fish Champions. This for the family, and generate reviews. So make sure you read each and every one of these reviews, or just scan over it to make sure that it says what you like, are given great product reviews. And in the event that you do not like, you can change it. For example, Simply Amazing. You can put, the answer. You can type whatever you want here. So you can always change it. So that's a great feature. And then after you are happy with the reviews, then just push to store. And generate reviews have been successfully uploaded. Perfect. So another thing that you're going to want to do is download the video here. So click on the video and just download it to your computer, because this is the very same video that we're going to use in our Facebook ad. So just after you've downloaded it, save it to your computer. Great, it's a great video. So we save it to our computer right here. All right, the next thing that another great feature that Product List Genie software provides is you can see if other marketers are selling this very product or similar product on Facebook ads. So you just click this button, it takes you to Facebook, and you can see what other people see, similar image, similar product. Click on this, see what other people are saying. So you always read the reviews and see what other people, if customers like this product. I have one and absolutely love it, Claudia, perfect. So it gives you some indication if customers are liking this one. Okay, and you can always click on their link, go to their store and see what they're doing. All right, so now that we've done that, we downloaded the video. Now we're gonna go to our store and look at the product. Awesome. So hands-free bungee. See, we have the sale price, we have the difference, what the original price was, and the customer is going to be happy. You're saving $30 per product. Hit buy now, go down. So it has scarcity. It has credible badges so that the customer feels safe and secured and comfortable in using their credit card at this store. And also it has the reviews. And so this looks good. You want to make sure that your site has these features, the product page, and this comes with the Product List Genie theme, which is awesome. I absolutely love it, and it's optimized. And a key feature is the Product List Genie software is mobile optimized. Most of your purchases are going to come around 80% or more through mobile. So right click, hit inspect. You want to see what your product page would look like once it's mobile. So you can click on different, for example, Galaxy, see what it will look like, and see a sticky app. So even when you're scrolling, this button, the customer can click buy it now, and here are the reviews. So perfect. iPad. So that is great. So now that you see what the mobile, you have your reviews, you want to also have telephone number and have your pages, about us, contact us, phone number, always have a support link where your customer can contact you and so on. So this is some key features of what a good store looks like. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to advertise this product on Facebook. So we're going to go to Facebook. Right, and create so campaign name hands-free bungee dog leash. I created a similar one, so we'll change the name. Let's do number 2. And always for your campaign objective, select conversion and set name and add name and save draft. Okay, we push through what it could like. Mobile optimize. All right, find good products. So we're now in Facebook. All right, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the ad level first and create the ad. So earlier we download the video. You want to first make sure that you have a Facebook page that the ad will be displayed connected to. So I'm going to select my Facebook page and I am going to select the video that I will be using. So select the video, upload the video. I save it to my desktop. So hands-free dog leash, open. All right, and then next thing we're going to do is the URL of the page that you will be advertising. So hit copy and right here, enter. And so Product Machine gives you everything, gives you the ad copy, product page copy, give you the interest, the video. I mean, you have everything here. This is absolutely phenomenal. So right here, just copy the ad text to Facebook. Right here, just enter the text. And you're going to add some emojis, make sure that it's configured correctly. I normally gives heart, love, and it's very simple. You can get emojis, just go to Google, or if you have a Mac, it's Control, Command, and the space bar to get the emoji shortcut. So, so the video comes up awesome. We're gonna tweak the 50% off today. Get yours here. Who loves this? I normally do 2 clear call to actions. So that it's helped with conversion. Okay, so perfect. And so in terms of you want to shorten the link of your product page, that will be URL that will be displayed in your ad. You can use a couple different free tools, Bitly or Google Link Shortener. I use Tiny, but you can use any one of those. So just shorten the link. All right, it's looking good. It's coming out nicely. And have the name of the product in your headline so customers can know what this product is about. And I normally also put some star. You can change it up based by what you like. So I add some star to generate some attention so that when customers going through their news feed, you want them to stop on your ad and click on your ad. Perfect. So I'm gonna add 5 stars. A key element to always remember, calls to action, always select shop now. So a lot of times the default is learn more, so always change it to shop now. All right. So another key thing in the news feed link description, you can enter. I normally put the URL of your site so that, for example, mine is fishchampions.com, and I'm just going to point to fishchampions.com and point to the call to action. Okay. It's coming on nicely. Looking good, looking good. All right, so perfect leash for training, walking, jogging, or even running without any hassle. 50% off. Today, hurry up, get yours here, get yours here. Who loves this? That looks looking good. And always remember your shop now. So just going through the sequence, you want to see what it looks like when the customer sees it. Perfect, it's looking great. All right, hands-free bungee. All right, so the next thing that you're going to do is duplicate this ad 4 times. So Q4, our tested model is 4 ads per each ad set. So duplicate this ad 3 more times, and all we're going to do is change the thumbnail. So this is, we're going to name this one video 1. And all we're going to do is just change each of the thumbnail for the video, and you want to have as no text or at least small amount of text at all possible, so that your ad has a lot of reach. So for this one, we're going to select a different video, different image. So just all right, and we're going to name this one video 2. And just wait to make sure how it displays, that you like it. Perfect. All right, so this one, we're going to name it video 3. Add 3, and we're just going to also change the thumbnail something nice. All right, perfect. Something grab and shows the product in demonstration. Hands-free, she's running, and with both arms, and our dog is running along with her. Perfect, that looks great. I would stop with this ad, looking nicely. And the last ad, we're going to name it video 4. So we have 4 ads with 4 different thumbnails. So gives your Facebook more options to see what the customer likes best. We're just going to select a different thumbnail for this one. All right, perfect. I closed up to see what it looks like. Awesome, this is looking good, looking good. All right, love it. So now we have 4 ads. All right, so now we're gonna go to the ad set level. And this is where the magic happens. So earlier, once Product Gene gives you, see, demographic, the age that you should target, the interest. So one of the interests, dogs world, we're gonna do the first one here, dogs world. All right. So click edit, and we're going to go inside the ad set now. So one of the first things you want to always make sure that you are selecting purchase conversion for each one of your ads in your ad set. If you've not had a purchase, this icon may be red or gray, but if you've had purchase before, it will be green. All right, so we're testing our strategy is to test with $5 campaigns, and we start the campaign the following day, always at midnight. So 12 midnight a.m. All right. And always choose people who live in this location, because people who are traveling normally don't buy. And we test with the 4 major countries. So United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. Perfect. All right. See, earlier was recommended that age, gender, all, and ages 25 to 65. So we're going to select 25 to 65, gender, all, and English language, all, so that only people who understand English can read your ad, optimize it. All right, so earlier we're going to go with Dog's World newspaper. All right, and we're going to narrow this interest with online shopping. See what it says, people who are expressing interest in our like pages related to online shopping. And we're also going to select online shopper. And then we're going to narrow this interest with AliExpress. So a lot of people, if they're already familiar with AliExpress, are likely to just go straight to AliExpress and purchase. And we're going to also exclude Facebook page admins. Perfect. Okay. So, Dog World newspaper. Ideally, we want something over 1 million. And always make sure that this is unticked, not checked. Okay, so Dog's World newspaper, PetSmart. Let's start off first with PetSmart. Ideally, you want to be over 1 million. So perfect. That's 7.1 million. All right, and go down. Always select 1-day click conversion. And if the product, for example, in this case, the product you're selling for $29.95. Usually, if the product is, say, $30 or below, you choose 1-day click. If it's a larger price, Facebook needs more time to get people, use 7-day click. But for this example, we're selecting 1-day click. And always go to edits, placements. We always just test initially with Facebook feeds. So remove audience network, remove messenger, remove Instagram, stories, right column, and instant articles. We're tested solely with Facebook feeds. So 1-day conversion, Facebook feeds, make sure this is unchecked. Again, we have large interest, narrow with online shopper, online shopping, and then exclude Facebook page admins and AliExpress. Perfect. So this comes up to 1.6 million. So you want to always have good practices so that you know once you have a lot of interest, you want to quickly just look and know what's in each interest. So this one associated with PetSmart, and it's 1.6 million. So as a good practice, I normally have it written up there. So that's awesome. All right, perfect. So now that we've done that, we can, and we have our 4 ads, we can publish. We can publish this ad right here. So it's being published. So going to 86%, and 100. Perfect. All right. So normally we recommend for each campaign have at least 6 ads, but it's based by your budget. So really determines what your monthly budget is. Well, let's just go through an example. For example, if your budget is $600 per month and recommend to test, at least 10 products per month. So 600 divided by 10, so $60, and you'll have a $5 asset. So you're going to need and run for at least 3 days. So that's $15 per ad set. So it's $60. So 60 divided by 15, so 4 ad sets. So for example, if you have a $600 budget, test 4 ad sets per product. All right. So we're going to do 4 ad sets for this product. All right. And another thing is we're going to go to the ads. We're going to copy the IDs of the ad to increase the social proof and so on. So we're going to use the same ad ID that we used for this one. So video 1. So you click edit on video 1, and right here, just click on this button and Facebook post with comments. Just copy this ID. So this is for video 1. Video 2. We're going to use these IDs. I'm copying them because we're make it easier once you're copying these IDs we're going to create 3 more ad sets, and we're going to just use these very IDs. So it makes it easier. And again, you're getting the post ID. Each post has its ID. So for video 3 and for video 4, we're just going to grab that last one. And click on this button and do Facebook post with comments. And this, perfect. All right, so now we have our first ad set. We're just going to hit duplicate, and we're going to make sure within the same very campaign and just do 3 additional ad sets. Okay. All right, so that first one, we did PetSmart. Let's change this up, and you can always click on suggestions. And another thing that you can also do, this is really great in Productless Genie. So this is a dog-related product. Just hit dog. And voila, at the bottom, right here, Productless Genie will give you additional dog targeted suggestions. So pet supplies, dog charities, fan pages, public figures, Caesar Milan, it's a popular figure. So this is awesome. Petco, PetSmart. This is really awesome. So you have everything here. So we did PetSmart for the first one. Let's do Petco for the second. Ad set. So this is around 1 million. Okay. And for this one, let's try a popular figure. Petco USA. Let's do Caesar Milan. All right, perfect. And always, always just have one main interest per ad set. So this is just one interest, one big broad interest. Say Caesar Milan, that's too small. We normally want a potential reach over a million. So Dog Whisperer. Let's see what other suggestions for the product. Okay, it gave Dog World newspaper, Dog Reserve. Let's try this one. Dog World newspaper, 580. You see other suggestion. Dog Park. Let's try Dog Park. Let's see. Okay. Dog Park, Dog Walking. Oh, that's a good one. That's Dog Walking. 940. Okay, so that's close to a million. Let's try Dog Walking. All right, Dog Walking. And all right, and for our last one, so we have 4 different interests for each ad set. We want to have a different one that we're testing. Okay, so we've had PetSmart, Dog Walking, Petco. Let's see, Petland. Let's see what Petland offers. No, that's not. Dog Park, Dog Walking, Purina One. That's dog food. Let's see what dog food, Purina One. No, we want a big broad audience of dogs. Dog breeds. Okay, dog breeds. That's 4.7 million. So awesome. It's looking good. We're coming on nicely. All right. Perfect. So now where the magic started to happen. So now we have 4 ad sets. So now we're going to copy these IDs that we had earlier so that each of the ad sets use the same IDs. All right. So we highlight all 3, then go to the ads level. So we copied the first one, video 1. So just highlight video 1, video 1, video 1. And so all video 1 highlighted. Just hit the edit button right here. And then just use existing posts. So enter post ID and hit submit. Select this ad preview so you can see what it looks like. And it's coming up. Then you can hit publish once it's displayed. So all the video ones for all different targeted will be the same for video ones. So it improves social proof in all of the different ads. All right, so next is going to be video 2. All right, so highlight all the video 2s, video 2, and video 2. And hit edit, use existing posts, enter post ID, and hit submit. Perfect, isn't that cool? Awesome. Then hit submit. All right, we're almost there. And then video 3. Highlight, video 3, and then hit edit, use existing post, enter post ID, and hit submit. Hit publish. And coming up, we're going to do our last one. And for video 4, see, it shows those are in the draft mode. So highlight all video 4 and hit edit, use existing posts. See, this is rather easy, and just hit submit. Voila. And you see the display, what video 4 looks like. Perfect. Hit published. Perfect. So now, so we have one campaign, and we have 4 ads, and 4 ad sets. And for each one of the ad sets, there's 4 ads in each ad set. Okay, so always remember, always 4 ads for every ad set. So perfect. So once that is done, so you wait for Facebook to review, and once it's been approved, it would go from in review to schedule. So, and then that's where the fun begins. So Product PLG recommends there's golden rules, 72 hours. So after, so day 1, you want to make sure after you've spent, I'll just show you, after you've spent, for example, $2 for an ad set, if there's no link clicks, and you want to make sure that you set up your columns correctly so you can see if there's no link clicks after the first, this is the first day, and you look on the amount spent, and if it's $2 or more and there's no links, then you turn off that ad set, just that ad set. Okay, after 48 hours and there's no add to carts right here, then if there's no add to carts, you turn off, kill that ad set. And after 72 hours, if you had no sale, then you turn off that ad set. On the flip side, if you've received sales for that ad set and you're getting more sales, and then you can, and you're making a profit, look for your costs per purchase. Make sure that it's, that's why you need to know what your break-even point is. You want to make sure that this number is lower than your break-even point. Then if that's the case, that means you're, you know, things are looking good, and you duplicate that ad set within that campaign, have it run a couple of days, 2 to 3 days. If you're getting, constant sales and more add to carts, then you can duplicate that ad set in a new campaign 10 times again with that same $5 budget, and the process all over again to make sure that that ad set is running, being profitable outside in the new campaign. So this is where the fun begins. So just follow Productless Genie for golden rule. I mean, the 72 golden rule. Again, this is Gaymeon